So very quickly, folks, how do we archive our classroom pages and how do we restore it? We've got a bunch of classroom pages here. Let's choose one of my classroom pages. Let's say I've got my E11 class here. Now, supposedly, say there's an assessment running, and at the end of the day, I need to archive the classroom page. So just click on classroom.google.com, and you need to click on those three dots, which is in a vertical alignment. And at the end of the assessment day, you archive your classroom page. And there we go. Boom. So that's disappeared off your classroom, live classroom pages list. It's archived. Say the next day you would like to reinstate it or restore it. Click on those three lines, horizontal lines. Go right down to archive classes, and this is the classroom page which I've just archived. Now I will restore it, and there we go. It gives me a little message saying, here we go, we're going to restore it, are you sure? And easy as that, the classroom page is restored now. If you go to your classes, you will see that my classroom page is there, now restored. So this is how you archive and restore your Google Classroom pages. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.